It's one of the old oaks on the side. And this is the ha-ha now, virtually grown over. Used to have a stream running through it apparently, and it had a flagstone base to stop the water scouring it out. But yeah, it's probably 6 or 7 foot into that ditch there, and that would have kept most of the sheep out and the cattle out of the grounds. Really would. I'm just working his way around now to the ornamental fish pond. And there's a huge big old sycamore here again. You know, these are old trees. They really are. And shortly we should get a glimpse of the house again. And I know for a fact at the moment, because of the finances for everywhere, including lords and ladies, the management of the grounds isn't what it would have been back in the day. They have, I think, 3 gardeners to look after this gardened area, these grounds, and then they have volunteers in the kitchen garden. They can't even afford to pay the kitchen garden, and the hall itself is a wedding venue for other events, and a hotel, and it's managed in that fashion now. And the Earl and his wife, I believe, now are separated. They can't divorce because of ancient English laws. Earls and dukes can't divorce, so she lives in a house just round the corner.